Boom, here we are, two bald guys. We're doing our launch today of Bombay spice mix. We're gonna make our first dish, which is a turkey meatball stroganoff, perfect for the holidays. Derek over here is gonna show us how it's done. Let's go see what's going on.
Okay, so we are making a meatball stroganoff, and the meatball stroganoff will have turkey in it, a gravy or a sauce, and the sauce will have our spice in it, and the meatballs will have our spice in it. Our ingredients, we got the spice, we've got the turkey with panko crumbs, because you need a binder substance, mushrooms, onions and garlic, and noodles. To make the sauce, heavy whipping cream, a sour cream, we got Worcestershire sauce, and we got some flour to make a roux. All right, so right now I'm just making the meatballs. Put them in the skillet. I'm just gonna brown the meatballs, sear them, you know, because once you sear meat and stuff, it just keeps the juices in. Once we get these browned, all the leftover brown bits that are in the pan, that'll work great in the sauce because you get that flavor. Oh, it's so good, so good. After we sear it, we're gonna place the meatballs on this tray and we're gonna bake it, baking meatballs for about 15-20 minutes to get them cooked through. And then after that, we're gonna work on the sauce, throw the meatballs in the sauce, and we're good to go. All right, now I'm creating the sauce. I'm adding the onions and garlic, and then after it's cooked down and the onions are soft, then I'm gonna start adding the cream and flavor with some Worcestershire sauce, and then our mixed seasoning in the sauce. I've added the milk. It's starting to thicken into a sauce. It looks so good, and then we're gonna add our two bald guys spice to the sauce. Boom, boom. Okay, I'm adding a teaspoon of our spice, and when this all comes together, it should taste yum yum. You can always add to your taste. You can add salt and pepper, or to spice it up, you always add some pepper flakes or something to heat it up. And then the mushrooms. Oh, that looks so good. I'm gonna add one more of our seasoning. It just needs it. There we go. Just a little stir, and we'll throw this on the dish. We'll make it awesome.
Boom, what are we doing?
We are combining the noodles with the turkey meatball stroganoff.
Boom, boom, boom. Here is the finished product, Derek.
It is the turkey meatball stroganoff yumminess with our Bombay spice mix.
Perfect for the holidays.
You will love it.
You will love it.
Yeah, buy our mix. Where's the mix? It is the Bombay spice mix.
If you have any recipes of your own you'd like us to try, put it in the comments and we will send you a free t-shirt if we use your recipe in our video. Thanks very much. Have a great holiday.
Enjoy.
Boom.
Boom.